Hi guys, this is the part of our Boracay trip. So here, tinatapos lang namin yung breakfast kasi until 10 AM lang sila. At this time, andito kami sa New Coast Beach, private property ng Savoy at Belmont Hotel. Doon pala sa accommodation namin, may libre silang kayak, lots of activities kasi hindi namin na-avail kasi medyo busy kami. Makikita mo dito si Kuya, so nagpe-prepare siya for the event this afternoon. So, katuwa lang kasi napaka-eco-friendly nila. Kasi makikita mo talaga kahit maliit na mga basura, pinupulot nila, tsaka napapanitili nila yung cleanliness ng kapaligiran. So after that, nag-swimming na kami dun sa pool area ng hotel. It's okay dito kasi onti lang yung mga tao this time. Unlike kapag nasa beachfront ka, usually crowded yung mga places, madaming tao. Then may pool bar din sila. So medyo busy nga lang yung drinks nila. So, but it's worth it naman. Then, nung afternoon, pumunta na kami sa D-Mall. So, andito yung Station 2. Dito mo makikita yung mga parasailing, lots of activities. Which is may enjoy talaga ng family nyo kung pupunta kayo dito sa Boracay. Then, here's the reception area of the Savoy Hotel. And may sarili silang service going to D-Mall. Magpapaschedule ka lang ng pick-up, what time mo gusto pumunta tsaka bumalik. Hindi siya mahirap kasi every hour meron silang service. And ito yung pauwi na kami ng Manila. Medyo bitin pero okay lang. Next year na lang ulit. Pero masasabi ko talagang babalik-balikan ko tong Boracay. That's a wrap guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog.